Try a sugar-free, whole fruit, plant-based hot banana split. Protective Diet makes healthy living fun, delicious, and sustainable. The recipes are designed as weekly educational bites to achieve and maintain optimal health with a sustainable diet incorporating plant-based functional foods based on advances in phytochemical research. This high-fiber whole fruit treat was created to make your resident microbiota produce anti-inflammatory, short-chain fatty acids to heal your epithelium, your gut wall, and prevent disease. The hot banana split is our favorite way to finish our daily feast. Enjoying one solo or serving a crowd, banana splits are easy to assemble and a novelty to eat. My job is to create recipes incorporating cancer-inhibiting, disease-reversing, protective ingredients that offer your body a lean body advantage. Yours is to follow protective recipes and share your excitement about every satisfying bite and meal that healed you. Please share this recipe with a friend if you enjoy a protective diet. Every recipe includes the why and the science of the ingredients used. Unsweetened organic cacao is in my protective pantry. Cacao exhibits potential anti-angiogenic bioactivity that has potential to suppress tumor angiogenesis through dietary intake. Be the boss of your body. With Protective Diet lifestyle suggestions and recipes, you can eliminate life-threatening toxins, combat pollution and radioactive substances with oxidative stress-blasting phytochemicals and antioxidants. Plant fiber diversity on a full-time protective diet tightens and strengthens the epithelium, our gut wall, protecting us from oncogenic viruses. We are not victims of cancer. We are victims of our diet and lifestyle choices. We can win the war against cancer if we prevent rather than treat. Protective diet recipes are your roadmap to becoming the boss of your body. Your body is designed to heal and maintain homeostasis using pharmaceutical plant research to incorporate plant ingredients that have demonstrated promising anti-carcinogenic properties by interfering with cancer initiation and modulating various pathways, including cancer cell proliferation. Pharmaceutical companies are doing their best to create cancer and degenerative disease treatments from extracts of these plants. I'm inviting you to jump to the front of the healthy living line and eat them every day for optimal health and longevity. Pineapple is in my protective freezer. It tops the hot banana split, blends into sugar-free sweet and sour duck sauce, and completes our pineapple upside-down cake on a protective diet. Jump to the front of the healthy living line and eat delicious organic pineapple. Bromelain is an enzyme found in pineapple, having multiple activities in many areas of medicine. Due to its low toxicity, high efficiency, high availability, and relative simplicity of acquisition, it is the object of inexhaustible interest of scientists. A review is included on the recipe to explain the powerful protection in pineapple. Dark sweet cherries are in my protective freezer. They complete my hot banana split and make my yogi bowls something special. Get out of the healthy living waiting room and eat delicious organic cherries. There's an article attached of why and how protective they are. Visit protectivediet.com for more recipes and guidance. There's 123 free recipes for you to try. Enroll in Protective Diet Education for a community of guidance to optimal health. Take care and best of health.